Hello friends, my name is Pawan and in this video I am going to give you 4 exclusive tips, and if you are just a beginner in MaxBounty or if you are someone who wants to promote MaxBounty offers in Microsoft Ads, then it is going to be super helpful for you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So my tip number 1 would be just search on Google about Microsoft Ads $100 ad coupon and visit a random site and see if there is a coupon link available. Then just click on that and you will visit to this exact page. So this is a sign up page, official page of Microsoft Ads, and if you create an account using this page, then you'll be able to get a $100 advertising coupon if you spend $25 by making a search engine ad in Microsoft Ads. So I'll tell you at the end how you can learn about getting coupon and how you can start to promote your MaxBounty offers on Microsoft Ad at the end of this video. Similarly, my second helpful tips that is going to be super helpful for you, and that is this BeMob free tracking tool. So let me click on pricing and show you. So as you can see here is a basic plan that is free, and so 3-month data retention means you can see the data of up to 3 months, and 100,000 events per month means if someone clicks on your ad, those things that BeMobs track, that they will provide you for absolutely free up to 100,000 events. Similarly, if you cross the 100,000 events limit, then you will be charged 6 cents for 1,000 events. So this is the kind of free tracking tool that you can use while promoting your MaxBounty offer with Bing ads, with or without using your own website. You can track all the data. I'll also tell you about how you can learn about using BeMob tracking in Bing ads or Microsoft ad by promoting your MaxBounty offers at the end of this video. Similarly, my third exclusive tips that is going to be super helpful for you is to join this wealthy affiliate program, wealthy affiliate platform. So as you can see here, no credit card required. You just need to enter your email address and you can get started for absolutely free. And in this wealthy affiliate platform, you will learn to create your own WordPress website, especially to do affiliate marketing in a simple and step-by-step process. So if you don't know how to create website on your own, then you can join this platform and learn to create website on wealthy affiliate. So this will help you in two ways. If you don't have an account on MaxBounty, then what you can do is you can create a dummy website and send it to MaxBounty and tell them that you're planning to promote MaxBounty CPA offers by creating this kind of website, and you'll decorate that website more later, but for now you have created this dummy website and you are interested to promote MaxBounty offers. You can tell that kind of stuff while applying to MaxBounty, and most probably your account will get approved. So the second way you can use this platform is you can create your website and like to promote the MaxBounty offers that are like top 10 weight loss product, top 10, that kind of article you can write in your that website and use the BeMob tracking tool in that website and promote that website in Microsoft Ad. In that way you can use this wealthy affiliate platform. This is going to be super helpful, guys. I was a little bit weird while explaining this, I'm sorry for that. And my now fourth exclusive tips that will help you to succeed while promoting MaxBounty offers in Microsoft Ad by using BeMob Tracker is to join this CPA marketing course. So what I suggest you to do is, I have given a link in the description of this video. You can click on that and firstly watch this video to understand properly what this course is about. Okay, and as you can see, it is 4.5 rated course, 86 rating it has, and 362 students. And you can see this, what you will learn. You will learn about how to use BeMob tracking tool with Microsoft Ads, by promoting MaxBounty offers. Similarly, another thing you learn is to create website on wealthy affiliate, and what type of website you can create to promote offers using your own website, CPA offers using your own website. You learn these things here. You can read this, and let me show you some reviews that are available here. So you can read this review. So one review is of 1 star. Here it says, his language is so disgusting, I couldn't complete this course, don't buy. So it's a little bit true, maybe, like my sound may be like that, and I have replied him politely. So you can read all of this review. As you can see, this one review is my favorite one, that is given by Sai Chen. This course is one of the best course I bought on Udemy. The lecturer explained everything in detail, and I was doing Bing ads with paid click magic tracking tool and only got very few sales so far. Now I see why I didn't get more sales and why his method works, and I am able to switch to free tracking software as well. He also answers all my questions quickly. I am excited to try his method. Anyway, this course is way beyond what it cost. I highly recommend. So you can read these all reviews. Now let me just tell you in a short way that I have guided everything in a step-by-step process so that you can easily promote MaxBounty offers on Bing ads by using BeMob tracking tool. So if you want to learn and become a pro from absolutely beginner, then you should join this course. Okay, I have given a lot of hard work to make this course, and now I'm still doing hard work to create YouTube videos in order to promote this course also. So I have another course also that is related to YouTube affiliate marketing. You can join that too if you like this course. And this much for this video. If you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.